Hey there, let's chat about this. You made this amazing salad before, right? Yum, fresh, healthy, but you never knew how it happened. You caught a bite from that chicken plate, leaving a piece from a freshly cooked chicken breast, and then put it in your salad. No worries at all. It's just part of our daily routine. We all have those moments. The same razor blades, cutting boards. Just combine chicken, veggies, rinse it off, and keep going. It just seems normal, right? Let me take you on a fun fact about our kitchen. The place where we cut chicken can have bacteria on it for hours, even after rinsing it off. It's not even hard to see or smell it, but there it is. You know what? In professional kitchens, this is a big risk, but chefs use something super simple called color-coded cutting boards. Not for looks or style, just to keep things safe. Each color has one specific job. No mixing, no shortcuts. Red board. Red board. Raw meat like beef, lamb, or pork. This is the place where most bacteria starts. So when you use this board and touch anything else, you've already spread it. At home, we don't think like that. One board for everything. Yellow board, only for chicken. This is one of the biggest risks for bacteria. So chefs use this simple method, color-coded cutting boards. Not for aesthetics or style, just to keep things safe. Don't mix it with raw meat or chicken. We didn't learn this way back when we were kids. We just followed what our parents taught us. White board, dairy foods, like breads or ready-to-eat food. This should always stay clean. No contact with raw items. Green board, fruits and veggies. Fresh and clean, but just if you protect it. Brown board, cooked food. It's safety. Don't send it back into danger. Now I'd love to know more about your kitchen setup. Do you follow this kind of thing? Or do you use one board for everything? How is this system different in your country? And how do you keep things safe at home? Let me know your country and your kitchen style. I really want to learn how different countries handle this. Cooking is our passion, but safety is our responsibility. One small change can make a big difference. So, next time there might be something like this right in your kitchen.